Hello everybody and welcome to a new lesson about learning about the SEER database. In the previous videos we have produced like 4 videos so far. In the previous videos we have given a hint about gaining access to the SEER database, about the types of statistics that you can get out of the SEER database and the SEER stat software. Number 3, we highlighted like what are the variables of the SEER database and what is the SEER database dictionary and how you can know what is the meaning of the different SEER variables. And in the 4th video we have put like an example of how to extract a case listing of the SEER database. In this video we are going to discuss with you an example of what differences between a single SEER variables, and we will start by the age variable. In order to give an example of what we are talking about, we're going to jump straight away to the SEER stat software, and we are going to like extract all cases of cancer tongue by their age. So we want to make an age distribution of patients with cancer tongue. So we will jump into the case listing session like it is shown here on the computer, and in the selection tab we are going to click edit. We're going to jump into the site and morphology, the site recode like we did before, and we are going to choose cases in which the operator is equal to cancer tongue. We're going to click on that and we are going to click OK. So in the selection statement here, we are only selecting cancer tongue cases. But just for the sake of learning about it, in the table tab, we're going to select the age variables, all the age variables that are present in SEER. So in SEER, we have like 3 common age variables. We have the age at diagnosis, and if we want to highlight or to take it into our consideration, we're going to click the plus tab and we're going to click on the age recode with less than 1 year olds, and we're going to click colon and it will be added to the colon section. Another age variable, or the other 2 age variables, are present in what is known as the race and age in case data only. So these can be obtained if you're doing case listings. We'll click on the plus section, and this is the second age variable, the age recode with single ages and over 85 years. So we're going to click that, we're going to click on the colon section, and the last age variable is the age at diagnosis. We're going to click on that colon, and now we have our table. We have our cancer tongue patients, and we have 3 columns in which the first column is the age recode with less than 1 year olds, the age recode with single ages and people over 85 years of age, and the age at diagnosis. We're going to put a title to it like cancer tongue age, and we're going to hit execute. Now the SEER stat software is collecting its data. It's preparing the results matrix, and now it's giving us the records. So we have a total record of 55,881 patients, and this is the results matrix. So in order to demonstrate the differences between these age variables, we're going to like click and hold the left mouse button, and we're going to hover over the 3 columns like this, right click, copy, and we're going to create an Excel file I'm going to go to the desktop and make a new Excel file here. So this is the Excel file that we have chosen, like cancer, tongue, age. And we're going to click that. We're going to open it. And in this tab, we're going to right click. We're going to right click and paste. So all the variables that I've extracted are now extracted and put into the Excel file, like I'm doing now. Okay, and so of course we have forgotten to put the patient ID, but for the sake of learning, we're going to differentiate between these ages now. In order to differentiate more between these different age variables, I'm going to use a certain software, statistical software that I'm using. It's called the Jump Stat. So I'm going to save this now. I'm going to close it, and I'm going to open my Jump software, the statistical software, and I'm going to click File, Open, and I'm going to take the desktop and I'm going to click on the cancer tongue age file. So now it displays the differences in the age variables that I have obtained from SEER. So these are the three columns that I've obtained. The age recode was less than 1 year olds. So this age recode, it demonstrates also like it puts the age as intervals, and it includes patients with ages like it is less than 1 year olds. The second column is the age recode with single ages. So it demonstrates the exact age of the patient, but for the people like 85-year-olds and older, it does not exactly state their ages, so they're all put as 85 plus. And the variable which is called age diagnosis, it lists actually all the ages, and it defines the age of the people above 85 years of age. In order to demonstrate that, like suppose that we have this age recode, which is highlighting the people with less than 1 year of age, and suppose that I want to know how many patients are actually less than 1 year old. So I'm going to click Analyze, and you don't have to learn about it. It's specifically related to Jump. So I'm clicking Analyze and Distribution, and I'm putting the age recodes in the Y column, and I'm clicking OK. So that gives me the distribution of the cancer tongue patients by age. I'm going to put it in a way that it's easily readable. So I'm going to put it like in horizontal age. So this is the distribution of the ages of the patients according to the stratification that is put here. Like they're putting it in intervals like this. These are the 0 years. So these are the patients less than 1 year of age. And here they are. And they're counting it as 7. So we have 7 patients who are less than 1 year olds. So I've got it now. So in this table, we have about 7 patients who are less than 1 year old. In the next age variable, like the age recode with single ages and 85 plus, we notice that there are no intervals now. So every age is stated the way it is. But we have a problem here in which the cases with 85 years or longer are stated as 85 years or longer. They are not definitely saying what their true ages are, what their exact ages are. So if like we have highlighted 85 plus years and we click here at the outer table and we select matching cells, so they group all the matching cells here. So we have 2,434 patients who are above or equal 85 years. So if I select these and click data view, I get all these patients, all these 2,400 something patients. In these first two age variables, we see that there is a disadvantage in which they don't specify people with ages more than 85 years old. But this disadvantage does not occur in the third variable, which is age at diagnosis. Because for every patient in which these ages are not specified here, you will find it stated clearly and specifically in the age at diagnosis. So in patient number 1, we don't know exactly what his or her age are, but here they are saying that it is 89. Page number 2, it's 86. Patient number 3, it's 86. And patient number 4, it's 91. Patient number 5, it's 87, and so on. So we're gonna remove that and go to the main table. And so this is the difference. These are the main differences in the age variables that you can extract out of SEER this way. This age variable, it is recoded in a way that age variables are listed as intervals, and people who are less than 1 year olds are stated as having 00 years. The second age variable is recoded in a way that it states single ages, so that they provide specific ages up to the age of 85. But at the age of 85 and more, it is listed as 85 plus. The third age variable, which is the age at diagnosis, it is the best out of these ages in specifying the patients who are 85 years of age, I hope we have given a clear explanation of the differences between the age variables in the SEER database, that we have given a clear idea about the differences between the age variables in the SEER database. And I would also like you to comment in the comment section below what is the best age variable from your own point of view, and whether you have further questions about the age variables that you need to be answered. Thank you very much for your time and attention, and goodbye.